Look, my picture when I was young. Isn't it impressive? Oh no, what chain makes it up.
तो how did I get? हमारे यहाँ पे एक बिस्किट मिल रहा है बच्चों के खाने वाला। उस बिस्किट का मैं नाम नहीं लूँ। हायर कंपनी का लेटेस्ट न्यू ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸੌਦਾ ਵੀ डोपामीन ज्यादा ना लें। डोपामीन बहुत खतरनाक चीज है। डोपामीन से बचें। डोपामीन एक ऐसा केमिकल है जो इंसान को मोटिवेशन देता है। उसके कुछ गुड यूजेस भी हैं। जब आपकी कोई तारीफ करे आपका डोपामीन निकलता है बॉडी से। तो वहाँ पे ये कॉन्फ्रेंस थी और वहाँ पे बहुत बड़े सारे भाई क्या क्या बोला यार इस सीरीज के बारे में मतलब कि हाँ जो पर सौ लोगों के घरों का हाथ देखा जाती है बड़े घर में पैसा अंदर दिया होता है लेकिन घर अच्छा नहीं बना पैसा अंदर दिया है दिमाग अच्छा सही कहते सही चीज है इतना मां मुझे कोई हुआ आता वो किसी की आना हम भी अल्लाह चाहते हैं जब किसी को दौलत दियो तो उसके लिबास से उसका असर नजर आए अच्छे कपड़े पहने हो नबी ने फरमाया जिसमें रानी के गाने के बराबर तकब्बुर हुआ वो जन्नत में नहीं जाएगा सही हदीस साबित होता है रसूलुल्लाह मैं तो चाहता हूं मेरे कपड़े अच्छे हों मेरे जूते अच्छे हों ये तकब्बुर तो नहीं फरमाया ना 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 इन्नल्लाह जमील युहिब्बुल जमाल अल्लाह खुद ही जमील है जमाल को पसंद करता है हर चीज में जमाल नजर आना चाहिए अल्लाह ने पैसा दिया भाई गाड़ी अच्छी रखो लोग के साथ में भी तो मान सब ये कभी घूम रहे हैं वो तो बेचारों की गाड़ी है लेकिन घूम रहे हैं तो ये हदीस पर हमारे मेरे भाई हदीस पर पैसा दिया है तो वर्षा में थोड़ी घूमेंगे अच्छा है फरमाया इस्लाम को अल्लाह ने दौलत दी है अच्छा घूमते रहे देखा तो वो ऐसा शीशे का बना हुआ फर्श था वो समझ के पानी है पानी नहीं है टेक्नोलॉजी है ऐसा खानदानी फर्श बना है देखने में स्विमिंग पूल लग रहा है पानी लग रहा है पर जॉब लोगों को ये जो तकलीफ आई है एनसीसी आई है लाहौर से दूर से गिरफ्तार किया ये महिला तौर पे जिससे इस साइबर बच्ची को इसकी तस्वीर में दावा किया गया कि ये बिल्कुल खराब है सबसे खराब और इल्जामात इन पे लगाए कौन है एनसीसी क्या ये औलाद की शादी की थी मैं क्या हाँ हंस के कहती है जिन्हें देनी है तुम्हारी फजर में बंदे बोलो मको किसी मैं अपनी बहनों और बेटियों से ये बात जरूर कहूँगा कि अगर आपकी किसी बात पे अपने चोट से तंग कलामी हो जाती है तो छोटी छोटी बातों को ज्यादा बढ़ाना कर दिया जाए थोड़ा सा आने वाली 17 अगस्त को एक फेमस यूट्यूबर की डेथ हो जाएगी
Maroi. What's it? Too bad. Okay. I'll give.
Yeah, my baby, she's here. My baby.
Okay.
See ya, Baba.
On the YouTube?
Yeah, it's live right now. It's live there. The screen here.
Mm-hmm. How do you make it live?
OBS.
Mm. Mm.
We've been researching, Baba. We've been researching.
live stream trading.
If you want subscribers.
And there? Oh, it doesn't show. Never mind.
Yes, good news.
What's it?
Any good news?
No good news.
Hmm?
The Wi-Fi doesn't wanna connect.
Wi-Fi is gone off.
No, it's still on. But it doesn't wanna connect because I'm using Huawei. Hawaii.
Hmm? Why?
Hawaii. Hawaii. Huawei. Go on YouTube, then you'll see me live.
Okay. What is the kid addressing?
I don't know. I think so. Gusaba. Ish. The Wi-Fi disconnected, bruh. Oh, there we go.
Second, Champion with the second.
Okay, let's see. Market direction. Market direction. Trying to figure out market direction. The overall market direction. Overall. So we're trying to figure out. Let's see. Stars. Monthly time frame. Market broke out here. Market collected these stop losses here. Market collected the stop losses, but it needs to close above here. See. So knowing this, now shift to this bearish engulfing here. This bearish engulfing. So we know here sharp. The market needs to collect stop losses above here and still close above there in order for a reversal to be confirmed. See, if you knew that you bought from the bottom, you will be in deep profits holding for 1, 2, 3, 3 weeks, guys. 3 weeks holding this trade. You would be holding this trade for 3 weeks. Swing trading is nice on currency pairs, Just look for those swing trades on currency pairs. You don't need to. The ones that you can trade intraday, or you can also swing is indices, Same thing that happened here. So there were stop losses above here. So the stop losses above here, we knew target was above here, but also for the market to close above here. So since the market closed above there, that's why this week it's been selling, you see. That's why this week it's been selling. These things are everywhere, guys. These things are everywhere. That's why the market started selling from last week into this week, because it collected the stop losses, then closed above. After closing above, changed direction. Current target for the market to close below, come back into liquidity zone and close below this area here, so that we know market will start going back up for an uptrend from this area. This zone, I'm not saying you buy immediately when it gets here. I'm just saying, like, when it gets here, look for buying opportunities. You don't buy immediately. Look for bullish candlesticks when it gets in here. That's what I'm advising you right now. But that you should buy immediately. Most of you guys want to buy immediately when it gets there. Guys, come on. Then we've got this on a lower time frame. We've got that on a lower time frame, which it has been collected. This thing is everywhere, guys. You see it here. You see it here as well. Right. Let's go lower. Here we're currently looking to go lower. Find an entry. Find an entry in the zone here, so that we can carry on selling. For me, this thing has already started, guys. This is where the sell starts. Goes all the way down. All the way down to here. That's the sell. Confirmed. This is a firm one. This is a firm This is a firm one, guys. It's a firm signal. Firm signal. It's a firm signal, guys. Telling you, can never go wrong there. Here, you can never go wrong. When you see it, you'll know. When you know, you know. When you know, you know. Guys, when you know, you know. We keep on trading live here. Right, let's switch. Let's just go back to gold. Gold. Ish. Gold, guys, must learn, guys. Let's restart here. You know, most people are panicking there because the market is not moving. But anyways, let's see from a lower time frame. What can we see on gold? On a lower time frame, what can we see? What can we see? So let's start from a daily. Okay, let's go to weekly. Okay. Monthly, there's nothing. This is a lower time frame. Yeah. Okay. So here, what we're looking for. What we're looking for, the market to close above there because it's targeting these stop losses here. Lower time frame. You can see the stop losses that were taken out. The market came back into the zone of liquidity. Market came back into liquidity zone. So what I'm seeing here, guys, for me, what I'm seeing here, I'll be looking for buys. For now, it sells. For now, yes, we selling. For me, what I'm looking for is buying opportunities here. But for now, it's still gonna sell until it reaches point of interest. Point of interest is to close below there. Once it closes below here, you start looking for buying opportunities. Once it closes below here, there's two areas of significance. 1 and 2. Which one would you go for? That's the question. For now, we're definitely selling, guys. For now, just look for selling opportunities from here. Just look for selling opportunities. The market might not even retrace from there. Retrieve, I mean. Okay, there we go. So that was what we were actually looking for there. The market to close above here and start selling. That's what we were looking for, right? So gold is all right. Gold is still good. Good to go on gold. Okay. The next 100 traders. Next 100 traders. Let's see. There's always something, guys. There's always something. You just need to find it. It's just people are lazy to find these things. If you get rid of the laziness, you'll make it. Okay, let's look for something here. So here, what we can see, guys, what we can confirm, market is closing below, right? Market has closed below that level, then wiped these stop losses here as well. Okay, so here we're looking for buying opportunities here. Yeah. So here we're looking for buying opportunities. Just confirm it on a lower time frame. Looking for the market to come back in that zone there, go long, right? In this area here. Looking for buys in this area. The market comes back here. That's where we're looking for our buys. Lower time frame, this time frame, okay. Let's just confirm sales for you. Let's confirm sell. Let's confirm sales. This is confirmed here.
Oh, hola,
We talk.
Ango.
Let's see. This is a confirmed one. Yeah, right here. Confirm sell. Market closed above that level there. So now selling. Right. Okay. It's confirmed. US30. Let's look at the US30 for those traders there.
Yes, boy.
Yep, let's see, Baba. You're looking for, you're looking for. Tshwere bantwana baba, 21. Ridiculous. Super nice. Okay, okay. So we're looking at US30. So US30 did close above that, right? Lower time frame. Nama. Yeah. So we're looking for US30 to close below here. This is a bullish engulfing here. Looking for it to close below here so that we can find buying opportunities on US30. Close below so that we can find buying opportunities. So there's two areas we're looking for US30 to close below. 1 and 2, right? So that we can find buying opportunities. See, right, guys, right. Yeah, right now it's covering, just cover this gap here, the fair value gap here that it's covering the moment. So we know there's a gap here and then there's a bearish engulfing here, which we're looking for selling opportunities right now to go to lower time frame to see. So we're looking for market to close above with a candlestick to close above. Yeah, we'll say, we'll just put a text there. And like, you know what, put a text on this one. Awaiting candlestick close. Right. So once a candlestick close above there, we start looking for selling opportunities. So not yet. Not here. We're still waiting for candlesticks. In 5 minutes, you see. So in 1 minute there is, but on 5 minutes, the more significant one, right? So we're waiting for there. That's what we're waiting for. Don't panic, guys. It's not leaving you. It is not leaving you. The market is not leaving you. Do not panic. You see it pushing like that. It's just baiting you guys. It's just baiting you guys. You guys see, goodness 100. See, there was a close above there and started selling immediately. Look at that. You guys are playing, guys. Join the team. Join the team. Join the team, guys. Join the team. Join the team. Join the winning team. Some of you guys are still thinking about it or what? I don't know.
Let me see much of the Wi-Fi from the other phone, P50 Pro. Is that my Wi-Fi?
The Wi-Fi is not working on one phone here.
Yeah,
It's not even connecting at all.
yeah, but he's just saying off it.
Yeah, it's off.
His phone is not connecting.
Yeah, it's off. Because we must tell him mine is not even connecting also. Okay, let's deal with Euro JPY. Let's deal with Euro JPY. Okay. Let's deal with Euro JPY. So this is what we're seeing from Euro JPY. Still needs to close above there. Still needs to close above there. Euro JPY. On the bright side, still needs to close above here. And then on the bright side, also still looking for more options here. So Euro JPY, what we can see here, created a bullish engulfing, which did break out, but we still need Euro JPY to push to the downside before it goes back to the upside, so it can close below here. Right, that's what we're looking for in Euro JPY. Still looking for it to push to the downside. Then what we can see here, it just threw a lot of wicks, candlesticks, right? On a smaller time frame, it did close below there, but on a daily, it didn't close below there, right? So this is what we see here, right? So we're still looking for selling opportunities here. Let's look for selling opportunities. So this is what we see right now. You can see even here, there's bullish engulfing. There's a bullish engulfing. So we're looking for selling opportunities on the bright side. If the market closes there, which it will, find more opportunities. Let's see. See here, bullish engulfing. That's why it just ticked it and came up, went up. So what else can we see from this? So we confirm inner structure there again. See, bearish engulfing from there. Still the same place, plus there's a gap there. Broke out of structure from there. We can confirm it. So we'll say here, awaiting candlestick, awaiting candlestick close, awaiting candlestick close. Right. So we start looking for selling opportunities when the market gets here. But it must first close, the candlestick must close above there. This is a 15-minute time frame. Should be a candlestick close above. So we confirm a buy. A sell. Right. You can even take it down more. Take it down more. Lower time frame. So on a lower time frame, what we can see, from a lower time frame is the same thing, basically. The same thing. From here on, there's no need to enter to say, okay, we know the market is to come here. No, there's no need to enter. Just leave it. Let the market play, because the market is still gonna play here. Still gonna play. So we don't know whether it's first gonna go up or down, but it definitely needs to come here and start selling from there. See? So we've dealt with Euro JPY. So let's go deal with USD JPY now. So what we can see on USD JPY, is confirmed from a high time frame on a monthly time frame, right? So on a monthly time frame, what we can see is that USD JPY still needs to come close below there because it created a bullish engulfing here. But the reason why it didn't close also is because of this. It was needed to close below here and then go back up for retracement. It did come back into the zone. right? That's what it needed to do. Okay. Now we'll move to weekly. On a weekly, it still needs to come close above there on a weekly. So that's a short, on a short term, that's the closest, not short term, it's the closest place it can go to up here, right? That's the closest place it can go to. So now it has confirmed from here that it's going up because this is a bullish engulfing. Then it came back, it created a bearish engulfing. So it has confirmed there. But we need to see candlestick close below here. Like a daily one, weekly one, in order to confirm a buy so that we can go to the upside. Right. This target is up there. Okay. So here let's go to daily. Looking at the daily, this is a bearish engulfing to the upside. So on a daily, we're looking for candlestick close there. Okay. Then when we look at this movement here, we're basically looking for candlestick close above here to confirm. She didn't. This was the second one. The first one was here, which happened. So we keep looking for those areas there, areas of significance, in order to find entries into the market. That's how you find entries into the market. All right. This thing has really been bearish, guys. This thing has been bearish, eh? Look at this thing. I mean, not okay, sure, bearish, but what I mean exactly is consolidative state. I don't like trading something that's like this. So I'd rather wait for uh candlestick close. Something like this is too much. It is too much. Okay. Yeah. I know there's a lot of scalpers, a lot of people scalping, scalp and scalp. People love scalping. So the candlestick close that I was actually waiting for was here. Which it happened for sure. But looking at the bright side, main area would be up there. I basically would have marked this as my selling point. But either way, the market is gone. So now what we're looking at, it closed above here, right? So when it closes above there, there should be a retracement soon. So we start going to lower time frame. So my sell would be from somewhere here. My selling opportunity will be from somewhere there. Yeah.
Where's mate? Mate.
Mate is this one.
You're gonna.
Someone wants you want to sell it.
No, I want to use this one. I'm gonna put the things and say.
Okay.
This one. I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared also.
Why?
Because it's when he's gonna be dropped.
Oh. Why don't you use this one? This one is nothing here.
No. P series.
Why you don't like P series? This one is P series. This one is P50. This one is mate.
Okay, make good.
Yeah?
I'm gonna use this one.
Okay. Yeah, okay, guys. We're still here. We're still live. We're still live streaming here. So we'll definitely be looking for re-entries here. This broke out close below. Then
Did you know how to change the Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi password.
Yeah.
I don't know. This man here is gone. I don't know where is he. There's always a problem with the Wi-Fi. Why?
And my Wi-Fi is not working.
Why is there always a problem with the Wi-Fi? So here as well, I'm waiting.
How? Fine, eh?
The top there, okay. Sharp. When it closes above there, candlestick close above. You start selling from there. That's what I can see on USD JPY. Then let's deal with Euro USD or the Euro USD traders. Normally there's a Vodacom thingy that it goes on the website.
No.
It doesn't. I don't think it changes it there.
You can
There. Oh,
on computer. Even last time, I told him he's doing like this.
me, I normally see him on browse. When he changes the password on browse there.
Browse.
Yeah. See there's Chrome that's open now. Yeah. Then he searches for some Vodacom thingy. I don't know what is it called. I just see him. From that app there, you can see who's connected from that app.
Vodacom.
Looking at the monthly, this was where the market wiped out all the stop losses. Market came back into the zone. Market definitely needed to come back in here. We can see still needs to come close above those two areas. But for now, we're dealing with this area. Then we're gonna go look at the right side. Let's go lower time frame and start looking at left and right. Left side and the right side. Okay. Left side and the right side. So what you can see on Euro USD. Yeah. Back. Someone switched off the network there. The Wi-Fi, but we're back. Back strong. Undefeated.
Ngifuna ukuthi le message South African
Basically here what we can see, market needed to close above there and start selling, which it did, because then created a gap here, which came back into. From a daily, let's look at a significant area that the market needs to tap into. So you're looking for an area of significance. An area would be above there. But for now, looking for market to close below. Let's go daily, 4 hour. Market should close below this area. One of us to find buying opportunities. Euro JPY I don't really like because it doesn't give a clear POV. doesn't give a clear POV. Maybe on lower time frames, which you can see, there's a 1 hour now. So here it needed to close, which it did, below. Then it created more an area again where it needed to close below, which was here. These areas, you see them everywhere. So it came back into that space, did its thing. Right. So here I wouldn't be looking for any trades here now. But what we can see is that market still needs to push to the downside. Also, it did close above some areas of significance. The candlestick closed, and the following candlestick is a sell, which it did that exactly. That stuck to the rules, So from here, what I can see, it needs to close above here so that it can carry on selling. Candlestick close out there, so you can carry on selling. That's what I can see. But this, I'm not really trading, but just based on the analysis, you can see the story, what's happening there. Okay. This one I got it from there. So I'm going to cut it from there. I am trading GBP USD. The pound yen. I am trading the pound yen. This one I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. But it looks like. But nah, let's wait. Don't panic. Never panic, guys. Wait for your setups. If your setup doesn't pin out, it's fine. It's fine. If your setup doesn't pin up, it's fine. There's always opportunities everywhere and anywhere else. Always opportunities. So we just need to wait. We'll just need to wait. Okay, even here we're waiting. Right. Even though it closed. It's a candlestick. And now it just closed. So even if you were already in a sell here, it's fine. Even if you're already in a sell, it's fine. But it's fine because it's still in the right area. The setup is still in the right area. Setup is still right. Then let's look at. We're looking to buy in here. Buying opportunities. So now that we know what the market is now to do, liquidity, then come back in here. So I'm gonna come back to punch in here. Right. Now we know the story. Because now we know what's really happening. Yep. There's a lot of gold traders. Most people wanna trade gold. All day I dream about gold. That's what most people dream about. All day they dream about gold. All day they dream about gold. Thanks. Yeah. Here we don't need to force. See, so it's back in the zone. Close below here, close below, yeah, triple cut off structure, close below that. And overall, we're looking for buys on gold. And overall, we're looking for buys. Now, because on the high time frame, area of significance, on a higher time frame, area of significance would be there. On a higher time frame, shorting from there. I'm currently basically on gold. I didn't enter. There's a reason why I didn't enter. And overall, looking for sales. When it reaches there, looking for selling opportunities. Yeah, gold.
Festa do fim de semana, com rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem surra, passo bem surra, passo bem surra. Na festa do fim de semana.
Okay. Gold trader, Dix. Hey, this is Inomi. I don't know, Inomi or Inomixi is always on TikTok, eh? Inomi is always on TikTok, bruh. This guy doesn't go offline. No, Nomi. Nomi is always on TikTok. And Tando as well. Yeah, you guys don't go offline, eh? You don't let TikTok rest, bruh. No more. You must let the TikTok rest, bruh. I'm sure most of your data you spend it on TikTok. You guys are always online. What up? Oh, you need money. Yeah, bruh. Gotta secure the bag. What's up, Tando? Where? Big boy. We need the money. Yeah. Yeah, that's true, bro. Let's all secure the bag. Ooh, guys, let me go drink water. Hey. You even have my notification. Ew, you guys are crazy. But I can tell you, I'm currently scalping GBP USD. This is the trade I'm currently on here. There's nothing else that I'm on but this one. Tando. Yeah. Hey, you guys are fans, number one. So what are you guys trading? What are you guys on? What are you guys currently on? Oh, yes. Let me go drink water. I don't know. Just waiting for me. Hey, you guys are crazy, bruh. What's the next session though?
Where's the guy?
He went out. I don't know where he went. Uh, London session, Euro USD. Yeah, okay. Currently, you guys must, I don't know, you like TikTok a lot. I'm mostly trading live on I'm mostly trading live on YouTube. Since YouTube gave me permission to go live, I've been trading live on YouTube. So the link is in my bio. There's currently YouTube is currently running right now, so you can go and check it out. Go subscribe. Yeah. So what break you waiting for here? So for me, I'm waiting for that to happen.
Should I?
I'm waiting for a sell. Yeah.
Yeah,
I didn't check on YouTube as well.
on YouTube as
Yeah,
well?
YouTube is currently running right now.
Actually,
Yeah,
how many people you got?
on YouTube. I don't get a lot.
It's not a TikTok, bro.
Hmm?
That you get a lot of public.
But you see, the thing is, YouTube, you need to be there. It's the same as everything. Like,
Yeah.
for me on TikTok, I had to come on TikTok to get like an algorithm going. Like, if you go on TikTok live on every day, then TikTok pushes out the algorithm to everyone that's interested in trading. And there's so many people that are interested in trading on TikTok. You see, so that's why sometimes, not all the time, I get a lot of people watching here. Because right now people are at work, so that they can't be on their phone. If you think of it, so that's why I like going at night.
At night, yeah.
Like from
100%.
8 o'clock, or like midnight, because a lot of people are starting to research more about trading, what you see.
100%.
So if I can do the same thing on YouTube, keep on going live on YouTube, they automatically push out, the algorithm will automatically push out my content out, and people will come on there, start subscribing.
And plus, YouTube pays, bro. YouTube pays more than TikTok
Yeah.
and
Which
Instagram.
one pays you more, YouTube or TikTok?
YouTube.
For now it's TikTok.
Okay,
For
yeah,
now it's
because
TikTok.
now there's a lot of.
Because I'm still starting
Yeah,
out.
you got a lot of people there on TikTok.
Yeah.
But yeah, when you have a lot of people here, a lot of viewers on YouTube,
Yeah.
you can make real money there, bro.
We're on YouTube.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Plus, you also have, it also, when as soon as you grow up,
Yeah.
like maybe if you have maybe like let's say 100K subscribers, you're getting sponsorships, you're also getting revenue from that.
Yeah.
So yeah,
all those things are nice. Bro.
yeah,
All those things are nice.
it's all about growth, and that takes time.
It takes time,
That
bro.
takes time.
YouTube.
You have to be very patient for that.
For me, it's all about patience, bro.
Yeah, if you don't have patience.
You see, these things, like, I've figured out, like, most of these guys go viral, ne? They just make one video.
Yeah.
One video, bro.
That's it.
And it's chai.
Yeah, it's chai.
From there, they're famous. Then the next videos they make, it will probably have a lot of views, but not as much as the one that went viral.
100%.
And then as time goes, you'll find out that more videos you make, there's always going to be one or two that hits the same numbers as the one that got viral, or even more than that.
You can't expect every video to hit 1 million views now, bro.
Yeah. You need that breakthrough for sure. You need that breakthrough, bro. That's the one thing.
Yeah, even like the largest creator on YouTube, Mr. Beast.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see his views are going up,
but
down,
Mr.
up,
B,
down.
Mr. B spends money, bro.
Yeah,
he spends a lot of
100%,
money
yes,
to make his videos like that.
Yeah, he's a billionaire, but only on paper.
But have you seen Mr. B's videos, bro? They only push out the ones. They don't push out the ones where, excuse me, he's helping out people. He's been helping out people in Africa, building wells for them, clean water, whatsoever.
He even did I think he even did a 24-hour stream something recently.
Yes.
He raised $8 million, bro.
Yeah, that's a lot, bro.
Hey, bro.
That's a lot. So I've realized those videos only get like 10 million views, or even less. And then you find all these just funny competition, what. Yeah. Those can even go to 100 million views, 200 million views, more than that.
Yes, sir.
So
you'd actually be surprised.
It's like these people don't want someone to do good,
Yeah.
advertise.
And even told us that whatever he gets from YouTube,
Yeah,
he just puts it back in another video.
yeah, that's a proper,
Yeah. So he said,
proper investment, bro.
I maybe have money.
Yeah,
I maybe, be a billionaire, but only on paper.
yeah,
That's it. So if he sells his channel,
Mm.
yeah, then he can be a billionaire. Yeah, even though he even said in the interview someone offered him $1 billion for his channel.
yeah.
And he said no.
Hey, it's crazy,
I
bro.
would do the same though, bruh. Imagine the guy has he has a lot of subscribers. How much is he on now?
200 and something, 250. I don't know. I haven't watched his videos in a while now.
424.
424 million.
Yes.
Yo,
Yeah,
that's a lot.
how
Yeah.
did he get that? Nah, bruh.
And Ronaldo,
Ronaldo,
because he was playing
yeah, he was
somewhere
also
there in 200.
no, not that. Can't be as much. 76.
76.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yo.
He doesn't post that much.
Yeah.
And plus, he's not a content creator.
He's just there for
He's
the
just
people.
there, bruh.
He's just there
He
to say,
surpassed so many.
I'm also here on YouTube, guys.
Yeah,
That's what he's just there for.
Yeah, he surpassed so many creators already, bruh. He didn't even post that much.
Yeah. He just came on
Yeah.
for the hype.
Yeah, for the hype.
And then once
exactly.
the hype was done, then
Yeah,
he left.
exactly.
Maybe he's mostly just focusing on playing.
Yeah. His most viewed video of Mr. Beast was the Squid Game.
Squid Game.
Squid Game.
Yo,
It had 867 million views
Squid. Yes, yes.
and 19 million likes.
There's someone that trades using volume, bruh. There's a guy called Jules. I don't know if he's on here on my life right now. But this guy, he uses volume to trade. So if you can check, if you guys can check Nasdaq. Yo, sorry. Nasdaq from here. And this is consistent. Let's go to 15 minutes rather, so I can mark it out easily. So from here, 3:30. Mark out another one. Previous day, 3:30. Previous day, 3:30. Previous day, 3:30. Can even go further out. The same. So all the time, 3:30. There's a lot of volume here on Nasdaq. So which means if you find the perfect entry at like 15:29, if you find the perfect entry at 15:29, and then because there's volume, you make more money. Because there's so much volume, you'd make more money at around 3:30 to 10 o'clock at night. 3:30 to 10 o'clock at night, you'll make more money on Nasdaq because there's so much volume. Because if you can see here, it's 3:30 to 10 o'clock, and then after 10, this is after 10 o'clock. Just in the middle here, there's nothing. As you can see, there's no volume. Then the following day, 3:30 is the same thing till 10 o'clock. There was so much volume there. See, I can even show you current chart, right? This was yesterday. So much volume came in. And then after 10 o'clock, there's nothing. Even now, there's no volume. So you don't be making so much money here. When there's no volume, you still make money, but not as much because even the brokers it decrease the spreads. They decrease the spreads on you. Right. Right. Okay. That's what I'm currently looking at. Currently. Then on gold. No gold traders. There's a lot of gold traders. Right. Gold, gold, gold. The JPY. I'm currently on the Australia. Pound. Hola. I'm currently on this one. This is the trade I'm currently on. Yo, how does that thing catch you, bruh?
Huh?
Yeah. Just you can just natural make it better.
Maybe water.
Hmm?
Water.
Right.
Get some water, bro.
Really smart type of guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ये वाले नहीं सिर्फ सैमसंग का है पता नहीं क्या इसको क्या
I'll be back later on. This trade is running now.
Queste China da possiamo puntare no? China का possiamo puntare
ये जिनावा शकत रखिया
You can show you.
You don't want to switch.
No, I'm
सारी ना बिलियन का कुछ करो ये बड़ी संभाल ले
बड़ा काम लेता है यार
कसु की बहन है उसे
कहाँ नहीं बैठा है कहाँ नहीं बैठा क्यों नहीं बैठा है बाहर क्यों बैठा
ये तो बेहोश हो जाते हैं
भैया हो जाएगा
कितना था
50 रन में
मैं तो 50 रन में बस ठीक है
50 रन में चीनी डाल दो
डाल दो शाम से बनवा रहे हैं तुझे अपना